The mixer section of Mix Control includes the input channels as well as several mix tabs, which hold separate mixes that you can run simultaneously. Each input channel has several components. At the top of each channel, you can select your input source. This can come from the physical inputs on your interface or from any of the channels from your DAW. Note that you can only use each input source once. You can also turn the channel off. Moving down, you'll find a pan slider to send the channel left, right, center, or anywhere in between. Next, the volume fader. This is where you can set the volume for a specific channel in the Mix Control mix. This will not affect the input gain or the levels going to your DAW, but rather the levels that go to the output channel within Mix Control, or wherever you route that channel. Below the fader, you'll see a few buttons. The PFL button is for pre-fader listen. This allows you to listen to the signal via the monitor outputs as it is presented to Mix Control before it is affected by the fader. You can only have one channel on pre-fader listen at a time. The mute button will mute the specified channel, and the solo button will allow you to listen to the selected channel after it has been affected by the fader. You can solo as many tracks as you want. The button you see that lives in between adjacent channels is the pairing button. When engaged, adjacent mono channels in the mixer application are joined together from odd to even to create a stereo track. When disengaged, each channel returns to its original mono state. Finally, you can change the name of each channel by clicking on the name at the bottom. By default, each channel will be named according to the inputs on your interface. As mentioned before, the mix tabs at the top of the mixer section allow you to create separate mixes. This is good if you need to create individual headphone mixes for different performers when doing a multi-track recording session. You may notice that the even-numbered mixes up to channel 9 are missing. This is because the output channel for mixes 1, 3, 5, and 7 have been paired with their adjacent mixes. You can learn more about that in the next video about the output channel.